Have you ever felt like the world is just too loud? Like every little someone's opinion, a bad day, missed opportunity can you off balance? What if I told you that could become unshakable? That's no matter what life at you stray, claim, peaceful and untested, just like a mountain in the middle of a storm. Stay with me because in the next few minutes you have discovered 10 excellent Buddha principles that can help you become so grounded that nothing can affect your pace. This teaching are over 25 years old, but they hold the power to transform how to respond to the world right now. Number 1, everything change your emotions, your situations, your relationships. Ever you thought Buddha thought that's nothing lasts forever and that's okay. When you stop clinging to with most change, you stop suffering. So the next time something goes wrong, remind yourself that's too shall pass. Number 2, we suffer not because we have desires, but because we have attached to them. Buddha said, attachment is the robot of suffering. Learn to enjoy life without clinging to it. Hold everything lightly like sands and your flame, not a fast. Number 3, when someone hurts you, insults you or life hits hard, don't react instantly. Pause. Buddha train your mind response with awareness, not react with emotion. Number 4, the mind loves to live in the past or worrying about the future, but pace live right now. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Number 5, your mind loves to judge people, situation, even yourself, but judgments create tension. See, think as they are, not as your ego plants them. Let's go of level and you have feel lighter. Number 6, anger, jealousy, hate, the poison your own mind. Compassion purified it. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Let's it go over kidness instant. Number 7, modern life is noise, conflict, exhausting. You have not need more things, more drama, more noise. You need less so your soul can breathe. Number 8, you cannot control everything, but you can know yourself. Self-awareness is your superpower. A man who conquers himself is greater than who conquers 1,000 men in battle. Number 9, the mind always wants more but space from wanting less. What I have right now is enough. Number 10, in a world obsessed with speaking, erring, proving silence because a strong. Lets your calmness confuse the chaos. The 10 Buddha principles are not just idea, they are tool. You power, your response, not what happened you.